Hello, dear students. Welcome to this online class. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching Class 8 Geography ICSE Board video lecture. Dear students, in the previous video, we have learned what is the aims and objective of your books. We are going to start very first chapter of your book, that is representation of geographical features through contour lines. Contours. I know that it is quite new for you, the terminology of contours, but you have slight idea of topographical maps, topo sheets. In the last class, you must have read these things. So contour lines. First and foremost, we are going to deal learning objective of this chapter. Before I am going to learning objective, just see this is your topographical map. There are so many lines and different colors pattern here you have seen in this topographical sheet. The beauty of this topographical sheet is that in one sheet of topographical sheet have both man-made features and natural features can easily be drawn and shown. Okay, so what is the learning objective of this chapter? Interpreting contours on the topo sheet. This is the learning objective, to understand what sorts of topographical sheet and what sorts of contour lines has been drawn. Identifying landforms through contours. Differentiating patterns, settlement on topo sheet. This is the learning objective of this chapter. Now we are going to our contour lines representing relief features. Look at this picture. Once in a center 300 is above in this figure. This one, last one here, is shown as a plane figure, and the middle section shown as a plateau parts. And when we mix all the three, we have a mountain range, that is conical shape mountain range. This is all about figure, but we are going to discuss more and more so that concept will be cleared after ending this video. Dear students, contour lines. One more picture I have. See, this is three-dimensional figure. Okay, whatever you see around your world is three-dimensional figure. It is quite difficult to draw a sheet of paper in a three-dimensional figure. That's why we have contour lines. So contour lines, as you know that this is the hilly area, and below this three-dimensional figure I have one sheet of papers is drawn and shows conical shape and the height of this topographical sheet. Like this in the another contour lines also we have. So first we have to deal with what is contour lines. So contour lines are imaginary lines drawn on a map joining places having the same height above the mean the sea level. As you know that suppose the place of Motihari, Bariarpur and Charmari. is in the same of height, we are drawing in the same contour lines. Draw contour lines and write the height of that place is same as a same. You can also say about topo sheet, the ups and downs of the relief are expressed through brown lines on the topo sheet are called contour lines. Yes, dear students, in your topo sheet, contour lines always shown in a brown color. What color? Brown color. Keep in mind. Okay? Since it is matter of height and from sea level to hilly level mountain ranges, there are so many difference of height you can easily understand. So when you take difference of height between two consecutive contour lines, it is called contour interval. Like you in statistics, you understand about class interval, like that contour interval between difference between two contour lines. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now, this is the figure of contour intervals. Look at the red shade and the brown shade 300 meter, 400 meter, dark brown shade, dark brown 300, 400 and 500 meter. And between this, we have brown color 320, 320, 340, 360 like that. So this is the difference of two contour line between two contour line is 20. Okay, how we can find greater value of contour lines subsequently consecutive contour lines, greater value contour lines minus small value contour lines, it is difference between. Now in your topographical sheet there are something to describe like that: bm 200, dot 200, triangle 200, and brown colors zigzag lines written in a number. It shows height. bm means benchmarks 200, spot height dot 200 written in your, if written in your topo sheet, you can easily understand that it is what? Spot height. And triangulated height, triangulated station, triangle 200, any number. And the contour lines, brown lines, zigzag lines having number. I hope it is clear. Now identifying the landforms through contours. Before I am going that, we have slope, steep slope and gentle slope. As you know that, look at this picture. This is gentle slope, this is steep slope. Steep slope very nearer to contour line. There are very few gaps between two contour lines. That means it shows a steep slope, and the gaps is increased in the second one, that is gentle slope. Look at this. This is the steep slope figure, actual grounded figure, and this is contour lines. You can divide the contour lines and point it out A and B like that. Which one line's definitely passing through the center of the contours. Okay? I hope it is clear. Contours are usually not intersected. Never meets two contour lines, two different contour lines never meet together. Okay? They meet together to represent a cliff. When contours are widely spaced. They depict gentle slope, as I told you. Closed space contour depict steep slope, as you seen in this picture. I hope it is clear. In the next video lecture, we are going to discuss different set of contour lines. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video.